Minexa gives developers an API-ready system and gives non-technical users a browser workflow, both producing consistent structured data from any website. Let's see how it handles scraping financial market analysis. Go to the page that contains your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered DOM in your browser and automatically prepares everything for extraction. Launch Minexa. Everything you need to start the extraction process is already in this panel. Click here. Minexa scans the page for repeated patterns of content so it can detect the financial market analysis list you want to extract. Full page coverage is confirmed. Minexa detected the navigation pattern and will follow it on every single run. Select whether you only need the fields shown on the list or the full data available on each item's own page. Click Continue if the data is already visible. Switch to Advanced mode if you need to trigger something on the page first. Click Create Scraper if the block looks right. The analysis only takes a few minutes and produces a scraper that works across all pages with the same layout. All fields are listed here, including hidden HTML data. You can select important points like titles, authors, dates, and summaries from the financial market analysis articles. Click API Request to see how the scraper handles pages that look different. It returns a clear error instead of extracting wrong data. Spreadsheet or pipeline. It works. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper is saved and ready to go. Multi-page extraction is confirmed. Your scraper will move through all result pages without stopping. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets, and every run will push fresh data there automatically. Click Run. Every job produces clean, structured data, ready for direct ingestion into analytics or ETL systems. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. You can drop this straight into a database, pipeline, or spreadsheet. Typical data points include article titles, dates, author names, and key market insights, all structured for easy analysis. Download the dataset. Column names match what was set during training, so everything stays aligned across runs. Replace guesswork with deterministic extraction. Every column tied to the exact right spot on the page every single time.